Are you looking for a really sturdy, quality, cool way to store things on your patio, on your deck, in your garage, or that room in the house where you just have stuff you want to tuck away? I think I may have a solution for you. We'll take a look at this beauty straight ahead. Hi friends, Bill here, and in the moments ahead we are going to unbox and completely assemble from scratch this little beauty, which is a really cool solution for tucking away those patio cushions, soccer balls, shoes, or whatever else seems to be getting in the way on your deck, on your patio, in your garage. And some good news, this is especially sturdy and the assembly is simple enough, even I was able to do it. For anybody who's ever assembled anything, you know how important quality instructions are, so I have good news. These are quality instructions. They actually match the project. You'll need just one tool for all of it. That is a screwdriver, either manual or electric. I'd recommend electric. There are a lot of pieces to put together, but if you simply follow the instructions step by step, you'll find that it's really quite easy. All of it took me about 20 to 25 minutes, and that's coming from somebody who has never been considered very handy. The initial steps were inserting and attaching some reinforcement supports along the perimeter of the lid, because the sturdiness of this box is, I think, one of its most impressive features. Again, the process really quite easy all the way through. Along with using that screwdriver, there are also some elements that literally just snap into place with high quality, durable snaps that help form the boundary of a couple of the side pieces. And then the lid opens and closes with hydraulic mechanisms that are inserted rather simply. Just 3 screws on each side and you are pretty much ready to go. Now, and one of the things that impressed me throughout this process, along with the accuracy of the directions, was the overall durability and sturdiness of the entire kit. I really expected there to be some wobble, some give, and there really isn't. In fact, part of the claim to fame for this Keter Resin deck box is you could actually sit on top of it and not compromise the integrity of the structure at all. It's really quite impressive. And there you go, from the original unboxing to the full assembly with just one tool needed, a really cool storage device for your cushions, for your soccer balls, for your shoes, for whatever's laying around in the yard, in the garage, on your deck, on your patio. Really good value, very sturdy as well, and if you'd like to pick one up, check out the link in the description below. If there's anything you'd like to see us review for you in the days ahead, let us know in the comments. Please hit that subscribe button for Bill's reviews and tech tips. We'll talk to you again next time.